Hello everyone. So here is the infinite desert landscape that I have created, and now I have added an infinite desert storm too. So here you can see this desert storm will be the sandstorm will be everywhere in the world no matter where I go, because I'm using Niagara data channels to spawn the particles for the storm. And also, as you already know, I have already created the infinite desert landscape. Because of that, no matter where I go, landscape will be generated in the runtime using procedural measures. And yeah, that is also there. So yeah, I have already created the tutorials for how to generate the landscape and everything, and this is just a demonstration of the added weather effect, infinite weather effect. So yeah, I have created parameters to control the intensity of the weather effects. You can fine-tune that to achieve the desired outcome. Because of the density of the storm, I can't really see where I'm going, but the landscape is actually everywhere, generated everywhere as I go. So yeah, here is the full playlist of the infinite landscape system I implemented. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself. And also you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects from my Patreon page. Once you become a member, you can access everything. So yeah, feel free to check it out. I'll leave links in description below, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in another video. Goodbye.